Today is the last Redbird box of the year. It's weird. It's been a weird year. It's all weird. And I also have my Secret Santa present from Spinster Styles, and I love her. She is like the Magic School Bus mixed with Jim Henson and a little bit of sass. I will link her down below. I'll link all the Redbird people down below, but I will link her down below so you can kind of see her. She's a magical creature. Alright, like I said, this is the last Redbird box for the year as well. And I know I look weird today. In fairness, yesterday it was hot. The day before it was raining. Today it's freezing. And my sinuses went, "You ain't doing diddly squat." And I was like, cool. Because I can't breathe out of one of my nostrils. So I'm just gonna like open them so I can put the scissors down. Okay. And we're gonna do the Secret Santa first. Now what we did was we got together as a group, some of us ladies, and we did like a little Secret Santa draw or white elephant draw or gift exchange, whatever you want to call it. I found out there's a lot of names for it. I got Haley from Haley Marie Vintage, and Judith got me. Okay, I was really scared I was gonna mess this up because I've been waiting patiently. Okay. Oh, she wrote a handwritten letter. Hope you like the necklace. I think it's your style. I also included a pair of earrings for your sister. Oh, Judith. Not if I like them, you didn't. No, I'm kidding. I would share, I guess. I would, but I won't do it happily. All right. Save the ribbon. When she's like me, she reuses the ribbon and the tissue paper, so. Alright. Yay! Another bag. I'm so much closer to my cat quilt. I gotta start cutting that out, actually. At the beginning of the year. I'll probably do that because her birthday is in March, I think. I have to look at her birth certificate. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's different. Okay, this is what she sent me. It is like this very cool, like old style necklace. Ooh, I like that. I like this. You were right, this is my style. Because it has pearls on it as well. I don't know how it looks on me though. Actually fits really well. Look at that. Ooh, I like that. I'll have to think of something really nice to wear it with. I don't know what that will be yet, but I love this, Judith. This is awesome. This is cute. I like this. And these are the earrings for my sister. Yep, I see what you meant. I see what you meant. These do look like my sister Sherry, so I get it. I see what you did there. I will give them to her because I'm a nice person. Thank you for sending something to my sister as well. And I do love my necklace. I like this. I don't have anything like this either. I don't have anything with like this chain on it or this design or even in this color. I don't think I have anything in this color. So I'm really gonna have to think. Oh my God. I'm gonna picture it to you, Judith. I just bought some fabric and it's called Sherlock fabric. It doesn't have Sherlock on it, but it's the Sherlock color plaid. It's like a greenish color. I'll send it to you because I think once I make the dress, this will look amazing with it. Okay, so let's see what we got in our box this month. Okay, I did request some stuff, but I don't think I got anything I requested. Because as long as I don't think it, then when I get it, I'll be like, what? Okay, look at the flare this month. That's flare-tastic. I'm definitely making this into a button because I like leaf designs. Can you see? I can't hold it so you can see. I do like leaf designs. This kind of, and this is gonna sound crazy. My character on my video game is an elf, and her Dalish symbol is a woodland kind of thing. Anyway, I made an embroidery pattern out of it so I could put it on the collar of one of my cardigans. Yeah, I went that deep, guys. So I think I'm actually going to incorporate this with that because I like this. This is cool. All right. Put all my ribbon together. We hope you love the box this month. Wishing you a happy, healthy holiday. Gotta stop singing. All right. Let's see. They did. They included it. Okay, so I requested this. It is like a scarf with this cute oriental print on it, and it's burgundy. Now, I'm torn with this for two reasons. One, I love this. This is amazing, and it's adorable, and I love like Asian style prints and things like that. The other reason I'm torn is my middle sister loves Asian style prints. A lot of her clothes have burgundy and black because she graduated from University of South Carolina, which is garnet and black. So that's why I'm kind of like, if she would use it, I would probably share it, but I can't promise she will. Let me cut that off. I'm back. I'm sorry. That's my phone ringing, and if you did recognize it, yes, it is Dark Soulless from Dragon Age. Told you I was into that. Okay. Open the bag. So I'll decide, I'll find out if she would actually use it. If she won't use it, I'm not giving it to her. But if she will use it and incorporate it in her clothing, then I'll probably give it to her. Because it would look really good on her. Alright, let's see. Another bag for the cat quilts. Yes, I requested this as well. These are like some they're lace earrings. They're lace. So they're very like, they're very lightweight. The reason why I requested these was to go with my plaid dress. So if you watch that video, these are the earrings that I wanted to go with it because of the white collar that I added. So I thought these would be perfect for that, and they will, so I'm happy. They also sent, ooh, look at that. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, it's simple, but it's like really cute. That's my jam right there. That's my jam. I already have a necklace on, so I can't show it to you, but I like this. And the next skirt I'm making, this will actually go perfectly with. Actually, it's gonna have like a, it's not a boat neck. It's like a weird collar on it that will look really good with this because it will show it off. So I've got to find out, one, what that collar is called, because I don't know. Oh, stop dropping things, Heather. Okay, next. gets the matching earrings, and they're like a teardrop shape. So that is my jam. Oh, those are really pretty. And they're simple and dainty and pretty and classy. Oh, I love these. I love these. Y'all see, everybody calls me when I start doing something. It's only when I do something. Okay, so I also got a brooch. This one's different. It's like white and it has like colorful stones on it. I don't know. It's got pearls and colorful stones, and I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of tempted. I know I'm always giving stuff to my sisters. I'm kind of tempted to give this to my sister Sherry because this just has like a Sherry vibe to it. I don't know why. It just, it's something about it reminds me of my sister. I do like it. It is pretty, but I do think I am going to give it to Sherry because it does look like her. And last but not least, oh, it's a locket. Well, I can't get it turned around. There we go. Can you see the design on it? Oh, all right, this is not my day, people. Can you see the design on it? It's so pretty. I think it's focusing on my face. I don't know why you're doing this, camera. You're being a douche. But it's very pretty. It's like a flower print etched in. I did request a locket. I requested a strawberry locket. But these guys know me so well. I actually don't remember seeing this in the pictures, but I like this so much more than the strawberry. The strawberry was just kind of like fun and meh, but I like this one because this one looks, I don't know how to describe what I think, but it's gorgeous, and I would definitely wear this one more. I love lockets. I have three, I think. One is one from my husband that he gave us when we started dating, like a butt long time ago. So that's the one that I kind of stick with the most, even though the latches broke on it and I've had it fixed multiple times and it just will not be fixed. That's the one I normally, that's my day-to-day locket that I wear. It even has my birthstone. My husband was good even at the beginning. So I love everything that I got in here. I will ask my sister about this scarf because I don't know and I'm trying to be nice. Judith, I will give Sherry these earrings, and I'll probably give her this brooch. And I love the necklace. As you can tell, I didn't take it off. I love it. It's something that it reminds me of, but I can't place it, and it's gonna bother me, and then I'm gonna stop the video, and then I'm gonna be like, that's what it was, and it's gonna bother me. So not looking forward to that moment, but I love it. Thank you so much. Please check out her information down below, and I will also link everybody else down below so you can check out their stuff. And I hope everybody has a good day and happy holidays.